Welcome to our channel. Philo is a popular streaming service that you can easily access on your smart TV using Chromecast. This simple guide will help you get started with Philo on your television. Step 1. Connect your Chromecast device to an available HDMI port on your smart TV and plug in the power adapter. Make sure your TV is on and set to the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Download the Philo app on your smartphone or tablet from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device type. Step 3. Ensure both your Chromecast and your mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for casting to work properly. Step 4. Open the Philo app on your mobile device and sign in with your account credentials. If you're new to Philo, you can sign up for a free trial directly in the app. Step 5. Browse through Philo's content and select a channel or show you want to watch on your smart TV. Step 6. Look for the cast icon in the upper portion of the Philo app while viewing content. Tap this icon to see available casting devices. Step 7. Select your Chromecast device from the list. Your smart TV screen will show that it's connecting to Philo. Step 8. The content will begin playing on your TV through Chromecast. You can use your mobile device as a remote control to pause, play, change channels, or browse for other content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and live TV on the big screen with Philo. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.